Rally strapped to the bop. Golden Rama.
Play by the king for the style I bring.
Ice Princess.
Yeah, man, a golden Rama. All up point. Rally back.
Man, I beat it, beat it, beat it. Now stop beat it till the pussy them feel it. Beat it, beat it, beat it. Now stop beat it till them crew get deleted. Beat it, beat it, beat it. Now stop beat it till the pussy them feel it. Beat it, beat it, beat it. We now stop beat it till them crew get deleted.
When they them this, the rifle and beretta never miss. And in a majority, me team me gun tune up and looking crisp. With the lasers, collision, me beat it with perfect position. Me kill it.
Watch him over there, boy. I'm not one here, man. All the while, man. Yo, don't search him. Yo, Cam come.
Hold on, boss.
Yo, yeah, me. Go on, so how much time you talk to you about the same thing over and over?
What? Eh?
I mean what?
Eh?
And about to make a noise in my place.
I don't know what I'm going.
Quiet your mouth, man. It's hard to learn.
I want to.
It's hard to learn.
So we are dealing with
You know, say you can learn. You're the teacher. Teach. You see. Yo, stop your noise in my place.
Yo, brother, you deal with something.
If you learn, man. If you learn, man. Something back life, learn.
Ball, hold on, man.
Bless her.
Ball, hold on, man.
Hold you up, man. You see him?
So much I owe you, whatever.
You know, sir, I search you down.
Yeah, man, search him.
Yo, go link the box.
You want to search him?
Yo, Dad, I'm ready to link him. I go to you, and I'm going to I just want to get him here and don't move that.
Let him come now.
Boss, what is it?
Him say the sending me. Yeah, man, you're good. Yo, sweep up the yard or something. Alright.
Well, yeah, my boy. You don't have to talk to you again. If you learn something. I cannot play.
Yeah, man, you're a King Chris, man. Doing that. Because there's a moody over those guys, check it out.
Say, man, some money flick. We'll make some money flick.
Chris Maja.
Maja look like he's petrified, he's scared, man. Myself, boy, everything, Chris.
The man look well. That looks petrified, that's all, man.
Chris. Yeah, man, got you. Yeah, man, got you.
Well, I'm now make a left and clean up all my shoes, you know.
So you love going disrespect.
You know. Make him flick out.
Flick out.
Oh, flick out.
Boss always safe, you know. Boss, man, one boss off the middle.
I wish pa.
Around the so with beard still, you know, because no water not running out.
Oh. How long the liquor bucket that take for full?
Because the pipe runs slow. What find that me?
On this? I want to know about rock down here.
If I laugh today, take off that man.
Well, I take it off, man. I rape you want rape man around here. Post ball are gone. You wanna see how you watch, man?
Who are watching?
You.
Watching him pull himself. Give me soap. You nasty. Why not tell you? Turn on me, baby. Whoa.
That's really good.
You tell me if you quint, me not quint my eye. Look it clean, look it tight, and that's no lie. Wine in a dance, in a bed, me not shy. I know any man come, me go give him a try. Me can bubble pan the jam. 1 hour, 2 hour, 10 pan the long. What's wrong? Make we change position. Set me sideways, make me spin like a fan.
Well, I'm tell you what, if you bring a shirt, come man. You cool?
No, me alright.
Come out there and come warm up yourself. Me and son them here. Watch him. Everything I laugh, but I found a lie me I tell.
So that's on the sun to close them?
Yeah, I have to put them this off for them dry.
True.
Jesus Christ.
What ball are they with the thing?
Me saying slouchy. Boy, me I tell her.
Yeah, Renee.
I found a lie me I tell.
Police
From what me send you out.
Yo, the lion they on that one day and things, so you see?
Yeah.
Yeah, really.
The one that look like me, you know?
Yeah, man.
What you say?
Bob Marley.
Matty, you see all of that? One day I may go run that. Gun smoke just to know say it's a matter of time, because I are the baddest thing about you, so. You mean? Smoke dog for just easy himself, it's a matter of time. Me I run this. Remember me tell you that.
Maja!
You Ren?
Come here, no man. I want to talk to you and Bala no done talk here. I want to spend some time with you now.
Ren, how warm up your son?
Somehow I know say you did ask him. I not even like talk about it, but so because my dad expect you to ask. A mysterious fire happening and just lose my parents in a fire. Yeah, one day I come home, place burned down, my mother and my father burned up.
What do you mean burn up?
Burn up in the fire like the fire burned them up.
What am I right now though?
No, them burn to death, man.
Dead?
Actually burn up to death. Yo, I feel not even know. Whole place just...
So why not paint up the place and just fix it over?
No, it's a family decision, you know. Me and my brother will just decide to leave it, you know, as a reminder of what really go on.
Sorry for hear that, you know?
Yeah. So she wrong there? She out wrong there? Mother, sister, everybody. Yeah. Alright, alright. Yeah, man.
Show them off.
And just drive around and shoot up everybody, just gonna kill everybody on the city. Just shoot up the whole around there. See what I
That's
say?
it, boss.
Enemy just gonna shoot up from there. See what I say?
Yeah, man.
Drive that great car. See what I say? Stick shift car, just drive it. See what I say?
Stick shift, yo. You can't drive stick shift, you know. None of them can't drive stick.
Yeah, come like a PA then amongst me. Yo, I want to know, man. Yo, man, just gonna drive the car and kill the people, man. I want to know. No man can't drive stick shift.
Yeah, man, must can't drive stick.
Yo, come like a BA, hold on, man. Come like a BA that amongst me. Yo, my life, what you say? None of them can't drive stick shift. And Jamaica with them.
Can't drive stick passing.
Yo, want to know.
No, I can't drive standard now.
That may say.
Yo, that's cold, man. I want to. Yo, let's go on. Yo, let's go on.
Come here.
Let's go on. Shoot up wrong there.